all seen bootlegs, but today we're going to find out who is better at building a bootleg gaming setup. Ken with AliExpress or me with the good old standby, Wish.com. I wish I find some good items. Excuse me, for adults only, Wish After Dark. What is this? Is this gaming? Oh! Sorry, that's not gaming at all. With a $250 budget each, we're not really testing the kind of hardware, right? So we can pick a PC or a console if we want. The real thing here that we're trying to find out is it better to get our accessories, all our peripherals from AliExpress or from Wish?
And we're judging each other's setups, so no shenanigans here, we just need to prove which one's better.
Oh, okay, now this is a little bit cooler. An RGB light stand. So not only can I load up my Series S, I can also charge a controller and RGB it up. Am I just building the ultimate Xbox Series S right now? What the what? Who wants their kid to look like this? This is a expansion module for Series X and Series S. That's $15. Now wait a minute. For 15 bucks, can I get myself a module and then load up like a small PCI 2230 SSD and expand the storage of my Xbox?
So I know with AliExpress you can get some weird PC accessories like LCD screens that you can put in your window or really neat lighting stuff. So that's kind of what I want to find here first. This is a $54 7.9-inch 1280 by 400 LCD screen. A DDR pad. Yeah, these are for PC. Holy crap. Wait, why does that have RCA at the end? Maybe if I bribe him with Pokemon cards from AliExpress, he'll like the setup a lot. Thick Detective Pikachu. Oh, it has got Ash's hat. Oh, actually, that one. There's a lot of stuff that I can get. I'm actually gonna continue this off camera because I have a lot more money to kill. So, I got all of my stuff in from AliExpress.
I can't wait to see this.
Yeah, I mean, okay, so there's a bunch of the normal stuff. So we got a bunch of peripherals.
Okay, let's start with that.
PC gaming. So I believe this is something you'd like.
You got something that I would like?
Yeah, I gotta pander a little bit because we are judging ourselves, right?
We're judging each other, really.
Yeah. So first of all,
oh, that's cute. Yep.
A cute Pikachu mouse pad, and it's actually pretty big. It's a little narrow, but no worries.
It's fine.
Yeah, look at him. He's adorable, right?
Yeah, he looks very squishable.
Yeah, it says Pikachu as well. I also know you're a fan of the Z Flip 5.
Indeed.
So I got you some cases.
Okay. I definitely use a case with my Z Flip because, I mean, when you have the screen inside, you still want to protect it with the case.
The outer display as well. It's
yeah, totally. So we've got a little. Okay, this one's actually kind of cool.
It actually kind of looks like you're using the phone the wrong way, but.
Well, how would you do it then?
No, I mean like it's on the outside, so it
has to be like that. All right, that is actually pretty cool.
For the mouse, because we have a mouse pad out, I have the Red Dragon Storm Pro.
Oh, that's a good mouse.
So for 27 bucks, this thing feels relatively lightweight. I feel like for it being a honeycomb mouse, it could be a little lighter.
Wait, hold on, 27 bucks, wired, right?
Wireless.
27 bucks for a wireless gaming honeycomb mouse?
Yeah.
Actually pretty good. It's a little heavy though, I will say. But 27 bucks, you cannot complain about that.
But also, there's something.
What is this?
So I got a Royal Clutch, terrible name. Royal Clutch keyboard.
Can we say that on YouTube?
Royal Clutch.
Just careful how you enunciate that one, please.
I think you need to check your septic tank for that. So for 39 bucks, what are we getting
snap,
here?
That looks nice.
Oh.
Holy, for 39 bucks? Bro.
Wait.
Bro. I mean,
that actually sounds like it was worked on too. This is actually the best $39 keyboard I've ever bought. I wasn't expecting it to be this good.
You see it even has a little icon to light up if you connect it to a Mac.
Yeah.
Or you switch over to the Mac layout, so you actually can immediately tell what you're using.
Oh wow. Dude, it even has feet to, different.
2 levels?
Different stages, whoa. USB-C. So that's the thing about AliExpress is that you're able to find some really niche gadgets that aren't at a crazy price. I bought myself one of these, which I have gotten for us at Overclock before, but I figured I'd do it again. This is a 7.9-inch LCD display.
Oh, that's Oh, Ken,
Yeah.
cool stuff. I wasn't expecting you to bring the heat like this.
Yeah. So the idea here is that you can plug this into your computer via HDMI, and you have yourself a neat little display for productivity. Some people like to plug this in and keep it in their PC case or off to the side to show CPU temps and whatnot.
And the way I understand it is like these weird little displays are often made for like automotive use and whatnot. So there's like all these like weird shapes and whatnot. And basically there's just a little like metal like sort of frame for it.
I got a bunch of other gaming things. We have a wireless Pro controller.
Switch controller?
It, I believe, is Switch and PC. So mainly, obviously, for PC and in our context here.
Oh yeah, definitely, because they have it basically plugged into a Switch dock.
Yep. And then I also got this. So I have two pairs of headsets here. This one is an IEM, which I'm sure probably will sound varying degrees of good or okay. Yeah. But there's a little jack on there.
What? Wait. Why?
For your
Oh
mic.
my god, bro. Bro, you're plugging a mic into your earbuds? What the hell, man? Normally, I would look at this and go, this is really dumb. AliExpress, though, is the kind of spot where you can kind of find this sort of nerdier, more technical, weirder gadgets that you might not find in a lot of other places, or at least not as easily. So I actually think you've leaned into kind of the strength of your platform.
Yeah. You know what also looks pretty good? My other gaming headset, which has
Why do you have two? Why do you have two?
because I had the money for it. This was, I think, this was like less than $5, $3.50.
$3.50.
I was like, why not? I could get more.
Okay, actually, that's for $3.50. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, it's got a little smile on it. Look, it's got a little smile on it.
But that's metal. No, not this. This.
Yes, metal, not metal.
So metal reinforced chassis doesn't make any weird
Is it
sounds.
fine?
It's fine. Are you feeling fine?
I would say the passive is fine. It's actually not that good. It's like okay. They're quite comfortable though. They feel light. How much were these? Oh, you spent $40?
Yeah. I splurged a little bit.
Ooh, I don't know, man.
But look. So you have a microphone here. It attaches on. And we also have a 7.1 surround sound remote.
What? No.
Yeah, because it has a USB, so it's a DAC.
What? What? Wait, so it's aux, but it's got the DAC. What the hell? The 7.1, I always find is a little dubious. I mean,
You'll get directionality.
You get a little something.
You're gonna like this one.
What is this?
Can we dim the lights a little bit, like halfway?
Oh no, what's he doing? Okay, all right. All right, that's pretty cool.
And the last bit for our gaming setup is
Aww.
a pixel display.
All right. So Ken, you're out here with AliExpress building a high-quality PC gaming setup, but I chose to go a different route because I chose to go with the budget special, the Xbox Series S setup.
Wait, the
yes,
budget?
my friends.
Wait, of course he picks the Xbox Series S. Though maybe that's because there's nothing else on Wish. Don't feel good about that though. It's definitely a cop-out. Is that a kilo?
What? What's that? No, it's 0.26 kilos. First up, we have my game player.
Wait, what?
Now, look, I'm
you
a big fan
have
of
a game
consoles.
player here
I'm a
already.
big fan of consoles, so I wanted to get a Switch Lite knockoff for the low price of $30. Wish has got my back. This is a baby Switch Lite. It was supposed to be purple, and I'm realizing that it's blue.
Oh, that's awful.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it rotates.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awful. You know what's amazing?
Yeah.
Is they wanted to rip off the Switch Lite so bad, they gave you the plus and minus buttons, but they're not buttons. They're just there.
Really?
They're just there.
Oh my god, you're right. Those are fake buttons. Bro, come on. Hey, it's doing a thing. Oh, okay, wow, that's quite the interface.
Oh, I love the PlayStation Vita.
Oh, okay.
Here we go.
So we got Super Famicom, Mega Drive, NES, MAME, Game Boy Advance, Game Boy Color. I am gonna play Catwoman. I bet you this emulation is gonna be so high quality. Oh, it stretches it. What the? Okay, I hate anything that stretches. Like, you can't play like a Game Boy game stretched to 16:9. Look how bad the emulation is, though. There's like literally like weird like artifacts.
Scans, yeah, scan lines and stuff. Oof.
But look, $30, man. That's not bad. And
except for every bad thing you said about it.
no, remember $30. Ken, what do you need for a good gaming setup?
Skills?
RGB.
Oh, okay, okay. Tell me more.
Not only is it RGB, it also is a wireless charger for your cellular telephone. It's widely compatible and safety protection. What more do you need than some safety protection? Am I right?
Woo! Okay. This fast wireless charger isn't compatible with your phone, so you're charging at standard speed.
Well, you know what? Ugh, gross. The console, it's touching the ground. I mean, table, ew, disgusting. So I've got feet. Now, you might laugh. No, don't. You might just laugh and be like, oh, ha, 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 hilarious. You just bought some feet. Oh, but these are no ordinary feet, my friends. And trust me, I'm a feet expert. Can we please turn the lights entirely down to 2%? Hang on, 1 minute. I just gotta warm it up. I just gotta get nice and bright. Look at that! Glowing in the dark! Honestly, this might be the item of the video. As we all know, you're not a real gamer unless you have one of a checklist of items. RGB, poor taste, and a gaming-themed t-shirt.
Oh God, gamer nutritional facts. It's already ripping.
Wow, that is not a flattering cut.
I like your cut, G.
Ken, what's something you've always wanted to do with your life?
I always wanted to be an astronaut.
Did you really? What if I told you that you could live out your childhood fantasy?
Really?
I got Elon's number. He's looking for one-way volunteers, and I put your name down. Okay, you know, the patent only works when you don't drop it.
Shooting a galaxy star projector? Wow, you actually were on the nose.
You're gonna fly through your dreams with the help of some hallucinogenics, and you're gonna have a great time.
Oh!
Oh my God, Ken! Is that the Milky Way?
It's a way.
I see Jupiter!
I see Mars.
Oh, careful, Uranus!
Oh well, that one.
You always want to be careful of Uranus. Jesus Christ. There's always something magical you see. You take a deep look into Uranus.
Get some help.
How about a wireless mouse?
Ah, there it is.
Look at how high quality this mouse is.
That is what?
There you
go.
go.
What?
I was influenced by one of the greatest modern inventions that I've ever tried, which is the Magic Mouse. As we all know, Johnny Ive got it right the first time, and every other mouse since then, pretender.
No, you're onto something. I'm not even kidding. You're actually onto something.
I know. I don't say things for no reason. Ken, what's a problem with the Xbox Series S that you wish that I could solve, but has been so far impossible by human hands? I knew it. We need more storage space. So that's where I got this. The Xbox Matrix SSD adapter.
Wait, what?
Yep, so it's made for Xbox. So instead of spending thousands, if not millions of dollars on a expansion module that is super expensive, you could instead roll your own.
Did you also buy an SSD off Wish?
Yep, I did.
Where is it?
I don't know. I wish it showed up.
Did you actually order one from Wish? Or oh, okay.
It said delivered 3 weeks ago. Consider this though. At $15 plus the price of a very cheap SSD that was like $20, you could get yourself a full power Xbox Series S or X with terabytes of capacity depending on how big of a drive you put in here. So this is my 256 gigabyte M2 SSD.
Wow, you can fit half of Call of Duty in that.
Well, yeah, that's probably true. It should be very easy to do. So we've got ourselves the little adapter and we've got our M2 SSD. But look how simple this is. I've got this knockoff Wish SSD module, which just plugs directly into my Xbox, just like so.
Oh, there you go.
Boom!
Okay.
And when I fire up my Xbox in 2 to 4 minutes and try to format it, it's gonna work super good.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's not gonna work. I've seen people try these to no avail, but go ahead. That's good luck, buddy.
Next up, we have a keyboard. As you can see, very high quality keyboard, but it has a secret.
Yeah. Oh,
Deployable wrist rest.
Okay, the space bar is okay. Stabs are fine. Everything else is kind of eh. This, it's another cooling fan.
Because, Ken, you gotta keep it cool.
Ooh, that's a boy. Is it supposed to move around like that?
Well, you know what? Beggars can't be choosers. Let's just take a look to see if it works. It's a bold choice to make it slightly larger than the Xbox, but just by enough that's a little awkward. There we go. Look at that.
Wow,
It's beautiful.
It's almost like it was built with it.
Now, I will say that we are comparing not only just how creative Ken and I were, but also ultimately how good Wish.com, a site I am a little too intimately familiar with, compares to AliExpress. As much as I hate to admit it, Ken did find some very unique tech.
All right, so this is the completed AliExpress setup.
Pretty good, man.
Yeah, so there's a mismatch of stuff here, but I think the idea is that AliExpress gave me a whole variety of stuff to work with.
You've got some real value, but I think what kind of stands out to me here is that you just got a lot of unique items, right? Like this little display is unique. This keyboard is phenomenal for the price.
Yep.
I mean, I'm maybe not like a huge fan of like the pixel display and whatnot, but it's pretty good. So if you take a look at my setup, what you're gonna find is an expertly, artisanally crafted amount of gaming peripherals. So what we've got here, starting from the bottom, glow-in-the-dark feet. We've got a RGB stand, because of course it's not real gaming, it's not RGB. Tons of extra USB ports, including it's not a charger, but I can set my controller there and it looks neat. We also have a fan. Look at the RGB on my fan. It's got USB ports, it's got, sorry.
Okay.
No, it's okay, hang on, no. And
Oh,
plus,
yeah.
Oh.
Can we try this?
no, I don't think we need to do it. What? Try what? What do we try?
The expansion SSD?
Well, that's more for decoration. Don't do that. Don't do it. Oh, no, don't. Ken, no, don't do it.
I mean, it recognized it was there.
Well, you probably should get the correct SSD for it and make sure it's formatted right. But it's fine. Honestly, I wish I would have.
Now that I can actually see my setup in person, the style is a bit mishmashed, which seems to be a point of contention, I think, from Austin. But I'll say with his Series S setup, he basically just built the Ultimate like he's done with every other console, but it looks even worse than normal. All right, let's play some Valo. The keyboard feels really good. I like that the switches feel light, so especially for an FPS like Valorant, it feels good. It isn't really helping me game all that better, but I don't think I'm being held back by the peripherals. I think it is just the room that I'm in, my skills, whatever you want to call it. Oh gosh.
It's good, and look at this. Look how smooth my 60 FPS is. It's so smooth. I only have like a few milliseconds of input latency.
Yeah, I mean, it's an Xbox Series S, all right.
Look, you gotta say this is not bad.
No, I mean, like, it's decent performance for games like this, honestly. Get the full 60 FPS, the graphics look decent. Yeah, no, like, I joking aside, I really do like the Series S.
You can run 120 FPS right now, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, but none of that had to do with Wish.
What?
Yeah,
Well,
it's true.
But you're being inspired by how cool my Xbox looks, by the fact that you can play 2 games at once, and that when you're done, you can use your mouse and keyboard to use Microsoft Edge on the Xbox. If you play Fortnite with the mouse and keyboard,
You can play Fortnite with mouse and keyboard.
really fun. So now all that's left is for us to decide which setup is better. We've got Wish, which has a lot of RGB and colorful lights, or we've got AliExpress, which I'll say has a lot more functionality.
I agree. Like, I kind of wanted to give Wish some hope because, you know, you can find some deals on there if you try very hard. But I think AliExpress is a real store.
Yeah, that's a problem here. AliExpress, I would just admit, is straight up better for something like this because you can find some neat little gadgets on Wish. The problem is all of my stuff is so gimmicky. You have a great keyboard, a solid controller, good mouse, a phenomenal little display.
I mean,
like,
my
everything
stuff-
you've got is actually good.
My stuff are gimmicks too, to be fair, but they actually work and function pretty well.
Yeah, I'll concede that in this particular battle, AliExpress is the very, very clear winner. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring-a-ling that ding-a-ling button. You can also check out Ken over on Denki, where you build nothing but Temu setups now. And until next time, stay safe out there and be careful of Wish.com. I will learn my lesson eventually.